The People's National Party, PNP, stands as one of Jamaica's oldest and most influential political movements, founded in 1938 by Norman Manley, who is celebrated as a national hero. The PNP was born out of the push for workers' rights and social justice during a period of widespread labor unrest across the island. It has historically been associated with progressive ideals, focusing on equality, education, and social reforms. The PNP played a pivotal role in Jamaica's journey to independence, with Manley negotiating the island's break from British colonial rule. In 1972, under the leadership of Michael Manley, Norman's son, the PNP ushered in a new era with bold policies centered on free education, land reform, and healthcare access. This era also saw the rise of close ties with Rastafarian ideals and the promotion of reggae music as a global symbol of Jamaica. The PNP also holds the distinction of electing Portia Simpson Miller, the first female prime minister in Jamaica's history, reflecting the party's commitment to breaking barriers. Known for its red color and power for the people slogan, the PNP has been instrumental in shaping Jamaica's social fabric, advocating for the rights of the marginalized. From its contributions to cultural development to its focus on economic reform, the PNP remains a significant force in Jamaica's political landscape. Like, follow, and share for more intriguing highlights about Jamaica.